Hey guys, Smalls and Talls here. We are in Roswell, Georgia, Vickery Creek. We're going to hike down the trail to the waterfall. Alright guys, let's get hiking. Hi, Snack Pack. Did you get a stick?
Eggs.
Eggs? Alright guys, we are going to hike over across the bridge to the other side of the waterfall. See what our view looks like from that side. So let's get moving. Oop. Alright guys, we are heading back now. We hiked about 3.5 miles here today. We are walking up to the car now. Highly recommend coming out to this place if you guys have never been here. It is definitely a lot of fun, especially when it's warm weather. You can get in that water and play. But there's usually a lot of people in there, so something to keep in mind. Try to come early. But alright guys, we appreciate you watching. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and click the bell to get your notifications. Alright guys, for now, S&T, peace out.